Welcome back. In this coding challenge, you had to write a Python program that counts the number of elements in a list that are greater than 3. Let's see how you can do that. First of all, we have to start by defining two variables. We have the variable myList with these elements in this case, and then we are going to define a variable with the count. This variable is going to be essential in this solution because we have to count how many elements are greater than 3. We need to store that value in a variable to keep track of the count that we have accumulated so far. This variable is going to be updated in a for loop. We're going to write a for loop to iterate over the elements of the list and check each one of them, one per iteration. For every element in my list, we're going to check if the element is greater than 3. If the element is greater than 3 and this condition is true, then we just need to update the value of count. We increment it by 1. With this symbol, with this operator right here, plus followed by an equal sign, we are incrementing the current value of the variable, we're taking the current value, and we're incrementing it by 1. And we are assigning the result to the same variable. So when we find an element that meets this criteria, then we are going to increment this variable. That is going to happen once for every element in the list. If the element is not greater than 3, then nothing will happen. And when the loop is completed, we just print the count. Let's save the file and run the code to see how it works. In this case, the output is 0. Why? Because no elements are greater than 3. Remember that we are using this operator right here, greater than. It's not greater than or equal to, and that makes a huge difference. In this case, if we had used greater than or equal to, we would have gotten 1 because we have the number 3 right here. But since we need greater than 3, numbers that are greater than 3, then we use this operator, strict comparison, greater than. Let's try with a different example. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? In this case, we do have one element which is greater than 3, 4. And let's test with a list that contains more than one element that meets the criteria, which is 4 in this case. All the numbers are greater than 3. And let's see what happens if we have an empty list. The program should handle this case correctly, and it does, because we get the output 0. It has no elements, so no elements are greater than 3. Great, this is our first option, our first alternative, and this is the most straightforward and intuitive one, using a for loop. But if you are a little bit more experienced in Python, or you may want to learn more Pythonic techniques, we have this right here, in just one line. I will explain this step by step, and just let me copy and paste this variable definition right here. 7, 8, 9, and 10. What we are doing right here is we are summing, or we're adding, all the elements in the sequence that will be returned by this expression. We're saying, include the value 1 in the sequence for every element in the list. You can see that this is equivalent to writing the for loop that we have right here. For every element in my list, if the element is greater than 3, then we include or add 1 to the sequence. And then we add all those number 1s, and we will get the count of the elements that meet the criteria of being greater than 3 in my list. Let's print the value of count and run the code. We see 4, because right here we have a list with 4 values that are greater than 3. Okay, we're adding 1 for every element in the list if the element is greater than 3. Great, so now you know how to solve this coding challenge. Great work!